This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Fowler, CRS, GRI, ABR. Dahlia 2 floor plan with family room and lovely den. This home is situated on one of the prettiest lots in Garden Grove with huge oaks, nice landscaping on an oversized corner lot. The additional den is unique with its vaulted ceilings and large windows. 2-car garage too. Fabulous community amenities include clubhouse, large heated pool and spa, and Har-Tru tennis courts. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Fowler, CRS, GRI, ABR at 772-538-5206.